Look around you. Our cities are filled with wildlife we need to understand now more than ever. We can't fully protect nature on this planet without studying what's living in our cities. So here's how you can help by doing your part in joining the 2023 City Nature Challenge. Come together with over 400 cities worldwide and see how many wildlife observations we can gather. Every photo or audio recording you submit helps scientists better understand the biodiversity of our cities and further vital research around the globe. How does it work? It's simple. Using cameras and smartphones, tens of thousands of people all over the world take pictures or record sounds of wildlife in their hometowns during the same period, and thereby build an international database of urban nature that helps scientists and naturalists understand life in our cities and work to make them better places for humans and wildlife to live. Visit citynaturechallenge.org to see if your city is taking part between April 28th and May 1st. Then get outside and take pictures of wild plants and animals and upload them to our global database using the iNaturalist app or your city's preferred platform. Watch as experts all over the world help identify your observations. So put your nature eyes on and join the 2023 City Nature Challenge. Explore the nature in your neighborhood and help change the world, one observation at a time.